Welcome to this overview and preview of the stupification trading strategy. Now, stupification is a name that was most fitting to this type of trading strategy. It's not meant to be insulting like being stupid, although the penguin's looking pretty funny, but it's meant to be describing a stupefied state, kind of. I mean, the penguin could be a little stupefied looking there, yeah. How about a deer in the headlights state? Now, you don't want to be the deer in the headlights. We want the marketplace to be the deer in the headlights when we want to spot when the marketplace is in the deer in headlights mode, or like this penguin here. And we want to identify these points where the marketplace is just kind of frozen, doesn't really know what to do. And then out of that point in time, the marketplace usually takes off, okay? It goes one direction or the other very nicely with good follow through and good velocity most of the time. And what we found here with the stupification strategy is that it can be very profitable to trade when you strategically target this type of entry over and over again. Now, this is taught as a strategy. We have our stupification identification method, right? So we identify the stupification setup. And then once we do, we then have parameters for entry, stop loss, and profit taking exit off of that point. Now, again, the name sounds a little strange, right? Stupification and that penguin. I like that penguin. So it sounds a little strange. And again, it's not meant to be insulting. It's the state of the market where the market is stupefied. It's just kind of, it doesn't know what to do. And so that is great. And no, this is not a chart pattern either. Okay. And so with this method that I stumbled upon a couple of years ago, although it was right under my nose for technically decades, but when I stumbled upon it, I said, "What? Wow! What? It's just so obvious once you see it, and it's just so repeatable. It's just so consistent in a trading setup." And so then therefore I decided to put it into a strategy here for you and to teach you a way of swing trading. We're using the day bars. You can use this on stocks. Okay. You can use options on stocks. All right. It could be great for that. All right. You just have to pick the right options. You can use stupification on Forex, on futures, even cryptocurrencies, or whatever you want to call them these days, digital assets, digital currencies. And you can use this method on those assets. Because why? Because you have people trading the markets. Now, you have robots too, but the robots are designed after what the people are looking at. And these are certain behavioral tendencies in the stock market. Whenever you have a behavioral tendency in the stock market, you have an edge. Or when there is a behavioral tendency in the stock market, you have an edge. You have to identify these tendencies and these obsessive compulsive points as well in the marketplace. And when there's a tendency for the marketplace to just do these certain things over and over, well, we have a method, we have a scenario off of which we can exploit to profit. All right. Now, if you don't like the word exploit, you can change it to something else. Which you have the market doing these certain things because it just does them. It just seems like it just has to do these things, which are revealed on the price chart. When the marketplace does these things, then we can step in front of these things, these behavior patterns, these price action movements, and do what? That's right, profit. Collect the profit points. So if you're interested in learning a very good, solid new way of swing trading to add to your arsenal, to even stack on top of your other swing trading methods, then certainly you'll want to learn stupification. All right, so get started. Sign up below to get rolling and learn this strategy. And then, of course, you want to study it historically. You want to practice it. Paper trade, historical paper trade, and then demo trade, or just start trading with a tiny amount until you get used to it. And then it's pretty soon you're going to own it. It's going to be yours. You're going to assimilate it. You're going to master it, and then you'll have a powerful tool for the rest of your life to be able for generating cash flow and building net worth through the compounding process. So check it out. Sign up below. Thanks.